international student from India, currently pursuing my masters at CMU. In this video, I'll be explaining about how to work in a team and email format and etiquette. Hi, in this video, I'll be talking about how to be a better teammate while working in a team by improving our communication. So, team working skills are important for our success at any industry or at any kind of job role. And also, good communication skills are important to achieve our success. Working in a team with our colleagues, manager, client, or any other people at our workplace helps us to finish our task or complete the project on time. That makes our team successful and also maintains a good relationship between others. At our workplace, people coming from different background, nationality, religion, other beliefs need to work together and support each other. Also, it is important to have communication between each other even if they are not our religion or not our from background. So it is important for us to communicate with them and maintain a good relationship with them. And also some people are like shy to talk to each other, so we have to take the initiation first and talk to them and make them feel free and comfort with everyone. Other advantages of team communication includes being creative at work or think creatively. And if we are working in a team, we don't have any idea, we can get idea by with the help of others ideas, we might get another idea. Now I would like to share my experience while working in a team during my bachelor's degree. In my third year, our seniors have conducted a robotics workshop where there was like 25 teams participating in it. We were the last group to participate to join the workshop. In that workshop, every team has to be like 5 members in it. So me and my friends were like team 15. We were named as team 15 and we need to build a controller car. So we will be learning the advanced programming, assembling parts, circuit designing, and we need to make a PPT documentation of our design and controlling and other things. So we 5 members have divided the work to fast and finish it on time. So one need to write the code and one need to be assembling the parts, and one will be making PPT, and other will be making documentation of the workshop. And in that way we have divided our task, and my task in that was to circuit designing and controlling the car. So later on we finished our work, everything, our task, and we faced a lot of issues while working. And although we supported each other and helped each other while working, so at last we finished our work on time. And later on they announced a one-on-one competition. So there was like 25 teams participating in it. We have to control the car. We need to control the car in like a football match. Like one on team will be facing each other. So one need to goal on other team net. So we have participated in 5 games and reached the final by defeating all other teams. Then later on in the final, it was my first team. We were the first team to qualify the final, and we won the final game by defeating the other team and also defeating 25 other teams in that workshop. And we were also awarded and appreciated by everyone in that workshop. So this shows the teamwork of planning together, working together, supporting each other. That made us a successful team and led to success. And also, if we are doing remote work, it is important to get connected with our team regularly by having virtual meetings, by sending emails, or through calls. Having good relationships with our teammates makes us feel free with them to work together as a team and support each other to complete the task on time. Also, one important skill which is important while working in a team is listening. Listening is important skill to communicate, because sometimes we don't understand by reading or writing or by watching. It is important to understand a conversation better by listening itself. So being a good listener is also important in working industry. We can improve our listening skills by paying attention to others, by clarifying it at that time, itself. And another thing which is important is taking feedback from others is important. A feedback can be a good or bad, but it is always important to take the feedback positively and improve ourselves where we are backing and where we need to learn and where we need to improve from that thing. And lastly, leadership skills are important in a team environment because a good leader helps the team with the team goals, sets the targets, clears the confusion, and makes everyone work together to achieve the success. So, leadership skills helps to create good and positive atmosphere in a team. He is the one who inspires and motivates the team members to give their best their work, and by giving good feedback, appreciating their work, and boosts the team's confidence and in individuals. And an effective leader helps the team to make right decisions and manage their work properly and guide them if they are lagging in their work, which helps them to avoid late submissions and avoid delays. And having a good leadership qualities helps the team to achieve success and make us to be a better person and good attitude, and also inspires others with our actions and good attitude. I hope I shared enough information about working in a team and might be useful for you in continuing to develop your team collaboration and leadership skills. And in the next video, I'll be explaining about the email format and etiquette. Hi, welcome all. In this video, I'll be discussing about the email format and etiquette. So, what is an email etiquette? An email etiquette is a set of rules that guides the way people need to act when sending or receiving emails. The basic steps of normal email etiquette may differ slightly based on the receiver and the situations. For example, the email etiquette format changes depending whether we are writing an email to a friend or for a professor or for any other business contact. When we are sending or replying to an email, there are certain email etiquette rules to follow or to keep in mind while sending the email. So, firstly, we need to use a standard font while sending a mail. Like, for example, we can see in the font styles there are Times New Roman or Arial that are generally used for business emails that looks a bit decent and professional. So, we need to see the font sizes and colors because if we are copying the text from another content, the sizes and colors may vary. So we need to keep an eye on the font style, size and color before sending an email. And the next one is the subject line. It is the most important rule of an email etiquette. We need to mention the subject line clearly in a simple way so that the recipient can understand the message is what it is all about for. And always use a professional email address while sending emails to business related or colleges or to any of your professors. If you are sending an email to your friend, it is fine to use an email address, but while sending it to your university or your professor or at any working industry, please do use a professional email address when sending an email. And if you are emailing to your friend or a coworker or a person you both knew each other, a casual greeting like hello will be a good, but if you are mailing to an unknown person or emailing to someone for the first time, then use a professional tone like greeting in a formal way. Choosing the right salutation is always important. The next line, if you are writing an email to a new person or writing to them for the first time, then it is best to introduce ourselves with our name and identity, and adding few lines of ourselves is also a good format. And also it is important to keep in mind that we shouldn't use emojis while sending an email. It is basically we are used to send emojis while texting to our friend or any other relatives or someone, but in while sending an email it is important to not use emojis. And last, while ending the email, use a formal signing off tone like sincerely, regards, or best wishes. And also, instead of giving your name, try to use the signature as it is shown in the next slide. So here you can see my email where I have created my signature format for an email. So in this you can create your own signature by going to the signature signs, and then you can create a new signature over here. You can see I have already done my signature, so you can add a new signature over here, and
you can use the insert table format to add the tables. And here you can add a picture of yourself. So you can also adjust this picture size to look it fit correctly and clearly. Here you can add the salutations like thanks and regards or sincerely, anything of a format you like it. Then in the next line you can add your name and phone number. Also, if you are a student, it is good to add the current proficiency. In the next line, you can add your email address. Here, you can add your professional email address or any of your working email address. Like I will be adding here my college email address. Then in the next line, you can add your phone number. In the next, it is good to add a LinkedIn profile so that it looks good and also might helpful for others to search to get into your LinkedIn profile. So here I have used an picture for the email. So then you can add up your LinkedIn profile over here. So I'm going to attach my LinkedIn profile in this picture. So for that, you need to get into your LinkedIn. And then get to your profile. Then from here, you can copy your link. Then paste it in the web address over here. Then okay. Then if anyone can click on this picture, so that goes directly through your LinkedIn profile. So that would be easy for anyone to find out your LinkedIn profile. So this is how you can create a new signature for. You can change your name at here for like new messages. I've already mentioned as Rahul signature. So you can edit your name over here. And then save. So here you can see a new signature has created over here, and also you can see when I place the pointer on LinkedIn picture, you can see my LinkedIn profile is showing up over here. So you can directly get into your LinkedIn.
So that's how you're gonna create your signature for an email format. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find these two topics about working in a team and email format and etiquette useful for you and informative. And also please do share and like this video. Thank you. This is Rahul Podium signing off. Thank you.